Shabbat from Mongolia, his opponent Ignablu from Kuwait, Khalid Al-Ashmari.
Continuing on that single leg setup, inside collar, she sprawls on my single leg, pulls me up to a seatbelt position. This time we're gonna come all the way to our feet here. So again, we'll go slow. Inside collar, circle, release, get to that single. She pulls me up, she pulls me all the way to our feet, or I climb up to my feet. So once we're here, I'm gonna get my hands locked. I'm gonna come in, come step with my hip here. And now really all I gotta do is twist her down with my hip and score my points. This is really effective, but you gotta get your inside hip when you're hip to hip and get your body locked.
Takuto Otoguro, world champion of Japan, hits a nice head inside single. However, Nodir Rakhimov of Uzbekistan stops the shot with his hips, pulls Takuto up with a whizzer, and he immediately goes to a seatbelt position, locking in Rakhimov's hip. Locking in Rakhimov's far hip allows Otoguro to get his hands locked, but it also allows him to pull his hip into his body. Once Otoguro secures the hips, he pivots and steps with his inside foot, so he loads Rakhimov's hips onto his inside hip. In this sequence, Otoguro is also fighting for head position to get his forehead right in Rakhimov's ear. Stepping that inside leg to the front is critical and negates any type of throw that your opponent tries to launch, because your inside leg acts as a post. Rakhimov actually tries to hook Otoguro's leg, however Otoguro crowds with his hips and whips him over like a little hip toss and gets 4 on the throw.